Yes, hello guys. This is Simon Snipes, Simon Peter. It's good to be here once again. It's good to have you on board, and yeah, I'm just excited to be here now to be able to take you guys through something good today. So today is Saturday, February 22nd, 2020, and today, guys, I will be showing you how to make between 0.5 to 1.5 dollars per day on just editing photos. Yeah, I mean, it sounds amazing, right? And this is all courtesy of Roy Club and the Roy Bounty Program. So the Roy Bounty Program is an initiative by the Roy Club that has been put out there for guys to be able to earn a passive income, for them to be able to get something that keeps them going, for them to be able to sustain their lives. Yeah. So I'll be showing you guys something really nice, and by the end of this, you can join the Roy Bounty program and be earning that between 0.5 to 1.5 dollars per day, and that is just a section, right? So that is the photo section only, and within the Roy Bounty program, we have so many other sections, right? So we have the forum sections, which I've been talking about earlier on. We have the comment section, and we have the video section, right? So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make money out of the Roy Bounty program by editing photos and publishing photos about Roy Club. So guys, I use a simple software called GIMP. Yeah, so I'll just show you guys. I already have it downloaded on my PC, but just giving you guys a link. I'll put the link down on the description of this video. So GIMP is just a simple application, and it's released on both platforms. You can get it on your Mac, like me. You can get it on your Linux system. You can get it on your Windows. So you can head out to the site. You just go to the downloads link, and you find your downloads there. You get your version that is suitable for you. So we have Linux, we have OS, and we have Windows. I mean, all platforms are there. So for me, I already have mine installed, right? Mine is here, so my GIMP is already open up, and I'm just going to show you simple steps of just to edit your photo, and then you're good to go, guys. So once again, today is 22nd of February 2020, which is a Saturday, and this video is courtesy of Roy Club. I know, just creating that awareness out there. So guys, let's get straight to photo editing, right? So you probably have your images downloaded somewhere. Like for me, I already have mine downloaded, and all you have to do is pick your image and throw it on GIMP, right? So mine is already thrown. So I have also my Roy Club logo somewhere here, all right? And I'm just gonna pick it and I'm going to drop it there. Yeah. All right. So let me see. Okay. All right, so here we go. So I'm ready to go. I got my two things and I'm going to start kicking it off. So first of all, this is big, so I would want to reduce it. So I'll just come and click on the logo. I right click, I scale the layer, just reduce the size. Same say, yeah, probably around there. Yeah, that's a good size. So I want to move this up, so I come and click the moving tool, come until that hand disappears. There. Then you pull it up. Yeah, I'm going to put it right up there. Okay, cool. So now I'm going to write. So when you need the text, you come and click this, and then you come back to the layer, and you just click there, and then you start typing. So I'm going to type Roy Club, all right? And I'm going to select all is Control All, or on Mac it is Command A, sorry. Select it all. So I have downloaded the official Roy Club fonts, which is Gilroy and Bebasus Neo. Yeah, so I'm going to use Bebasus Neo for headings. So all right, Bebasus Neo for headings. Okay, this is big. I want it to fit, so I'm just going to reduce the size. All right, that's the size I want. Then I can change the color from here. Just click that. And let me see. Yeah, I'm going to put it on the Roy Club color. Yeah, maybe I'll give it maybe a dark blue or something. All right, cool. Yep. So I'll go back to the moving tool. Come. Yeah, then I move it right there. All right. Then of course, we're always required to indicate the date. So today is. So I'm going to put. I won't put the date of the day. I'm going to put the date of tomorrow because I've already done my tasks of today. So tomorrow is going to be 23rd of Feb, 2020. So Control A or Command A to select all the text. This time I'm going to use Gilroy. So Gilroy is also an official font. You can find it on the Roy Club website, and you can be able to download it and import it onto your computer and be able to use it. Okay, let me first click. I'm going to reduce the size a bit. Reduce the size. All right. Yeah, let me also put it on blue. Yeah, just to keep. Okay, I'm going to just position this. So guys, it is that easy, and by the end of this, you'd have, so okay, that is it. Then now, my final text. So I'm just gonna put like the new percentages. That is 15% to 20%. So realize that per month, you realize that the Roy Club profits have changed due to the increase in paratax, and that has hence also decreased the profitability within the Roy Club, and our percentages have changed, right? So we are just reflecting that change. All right, let me reduce this a bit to fit the screen. All right, so I'm gonna pull this down below the car. All right, so guys, this is just basically it, and when you're done with this, you will definitely be ready to earn that. Yeah, so the next thing is to save. So you come and click file. So you come and say export as. So you click where you want to save. This is Mac. Depending on your computer system, then you can select the file extension, whether it's a PNG, any file format that you want. You can put it as a JPEG, So me, I usually use JPEG, and then I give it a name. I'm gonna call mine Facebook 14. Yeah, then I export. Cool. Yeah, always just increase that quality up to 100, then you click export. We're good to go. So if we go to our desktop, go to our desktop, find Facebook 14, click it open. All right, so our image is done, and guys, this image is already good to go. $0.5. So guys out there, you can be able to make this money. Yeah, you can be able to get this money through. So after getting that photo ready, you go on your Facebook and then you post it and write a comment about it, and then you copy the link and you come and paste it here. That's already 0.5. Then you do the same for Instagram. Create your photo, go and post it on Instagram, get the link and come and put it here. But for the YouTube case, there's a restriction. Only people with subscribers over 1,000 can be able to post the YouTube photo. So if you don't, then you'll only perform this tool. That means you'll be having your $1 per day. So guys, thank you guys. This is it. You are able to get this money. So guys, come on, join and just be a part of it. Otherwise, thank you guys for this time. I hope I'll see you in the next.